Hey, what's going on, guys? So are you looking for the most affordable single family home here in Inspirada, Henderson? Well, in this video, we're going to be touring one of the most affordable communities in Inspirada. And in this video, we're going to be touring the Plan 1558, which is the most affordable model. So stick around. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do with my channel is we go over all the new communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to the Gardens at Inspirada by KB Homes. Now, today is July 13th, 2024. And we're going to be touring this community. Now, you've probably seen this community before if you've been watching some videos, but the reason why I'm covering it is because, you know, it's been a while since someone did a video on it, and I know prices have changed, but this community has been up for about 3+ years. Very popular community. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Inspirada, a beautiful master plan community, West Henderson. Okay, so you're close to like the 15 freeway. You have a Costco close by. You have some good schools in the area. You're close to St. Rose. Bunch of parks, amenities. You have trails, pool. So definitely great for families, younger families. Okay, they have 5 floor plans that they offer here at the Gardens. I will have it on the screen for you. They're all 2-story homes ranging from 1558 square feet all the way up to 2044 square feet. Now, what makes this community different is the garage is going to be in the back of the homes. Okay, so they're not going to be located in the front with the front doors. But the base prices are going to range from $406,990 all the way up to $444,690. Now, when you see the base price, just know that the lot premium and upgrades are not included. So if you want to add in upgrades, the average buyer spends about 10% of the base price. For lot premiums, average lots here are about $11,000 for standard lots. If you're looking for corner lots, they could range from $19,000 to $25,000. Okay. Now, with KB Homes, what they do is they don't do spec homes. They don't do quick move-in homes. They want you to pick out your lot, pick out your model, and pick out all your upgrades. So the build time is going to be about 6 to 8 months. Okay. As far as the HOA monthly, you're looking at $85 a month. Okay, which that's actually billed quarterly. So $255 a quarter. That's going to include all the amenities as well as the like the roof and the outside landscaping. Now, they do have a LID assessment. So the LID is a local improvement district. So if you're unfamiliar with what that is, here I will put, I did a short reel. I'll put it on the video so you guys can understand more what a LID is. But they charge every 6 months, they charge $224. Okay. Now, you will pay this until the balance is paid off completely. So the balance is $3,700, which isn't too bad. There are some communities out there that charge SIDs or LIDs. I feel like the balance is a lot higher, but yeah, no, that's about it. And let's get started with this tour. All right, so welcome to the Plan 1558. Now, this is going to be the smallest floor plan in the Gardens community. So this is going to be 1558 square feet, 2 stories, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price is ranging from $407 to about $411. Okay, now when I say the base prices are ranging, that just really depends on the elevation that you choose. So the elevation is just how the exterior looks. So there's 5 different elevations that you could choose from. Okay. But out the door, you know, including like lot premium and upgrades, I want to say you're looking more at about $435 to $450 range. Okay. All right. So yeah, let's take a look. So yeah, desert landscaping is included. Okay. So you got the paver driveway. So you have this nice upgraded door, almost 8 foot. But they went with the 9-foot upgrade, which I highly recommend just because, you know, it opens everything up. So as you can see, very open floor plan, which is nice. Okay. Now, as far as the flooring goes, with standard flooring is going to be carpet all throughout the house, except for the wet areas. Wet areas, you'll have like a 17 by 17 ceramic tile. But if you want to do like this vinyl type planking all throughout the first floor, that is optional. So to the right, to the left, I mean, you're going to have your coat closet. Okay. You'll also have your stairs, Going to the second floor, you're gonna have your powder room right there. So you got your kitchen. Okay, optional cabinets, backsplash, countertop. Okay, you got the undermount sink. Here we got your pantry. Now, as far as the appliances go, the refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. Okay, so you have door to garage, which is the sales office. Okay, so you got a side yard right here. So stairs that go to the second floor. So here you're gonna have your 3 bedrooms. So 1, 2, and then you have your primary bedroom. And then you'll have your laundry room. Now it is 8-foot ceilings on the second floor, okay? There's no option to upgrade to 9-foot. That's just always how it is with KB homes. So you can upgrade the first floor to 9-foot ceilings, but you can't upgrade the second floor. Okay. So this is the bedroom. Okay, first bedroom. Now this is going to be a full-size bed. So this room I would say is about like a 10 by 11 if I were to take a guess. Okay, so it has a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you got the fiberglass shower tub, upgraded flooring in the bathroom. And you got the drop-in sink. You could also upgrade to if you want dual sinks. So you got a walk-in closet. Now, this room is about the same size as the other room, so probably closer to a 10 by 11. So you got your transfer grills up here to regulate the airflow and to prevent doors from slamming due to wind. Okay, so we got your linen closet. So welcome to the primary bedroom. So you're gonna have, which is nice, you're gonna have 2 closets. So this is one walk-in closet. You also have your attic access right up there. Okay, very open, very spacious primary bedroom. And then you also have this walk-in closet as well. Okay, so here's your full bath. You are going to have the dual sinks. Okay, so we got the optional cabinets. If you're looking to save money on the countertop for the bathroom, this is standard. You could just leave that. It looks nice already. But you know, you could always upgrade it too if you'd like. We do have the standard like drop-in sinks. That's standard. Okay, that mowing faucet right there, that is optional. Okay, now this shower tub combo is standard as well. Okay, very open, spacious primary bed. All right, and that wraps it up, guys, for the 1558. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, too, guys, before I forget, if you're looking for a new construction home and you're thinking about going to a new build community, Guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be honored to go with you on your very first visit. Whatever you do, just don't go by yourself, because once you go by yourself, they won't let you have representation down the road. And the builder agents, they look after the builder's best interest, but we look after your best interest. So, you know, give me a call, or if you're using a realtor, let them know you're interested in a new build community. And yeah, you should be good. But if you guys have any questions, reach out to me, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching the video.